Okay, let's go. We are starting this. Okay then, cool. Why not? Let's see, okay. Oh. Yes, I agree.
When I awoke from my dreamless sleep, I was just in time to witness the end of the world.
It's beginning. The feast at the end of time. The last revelry to say farewell. The people here know that it's almost over.
Yeah. Only 13 days to go.
Okay then. That looks like snow.
It's the chaos. Do you want to turn back?
Too late now.
What are you doing? The Savior.
Oh, it is now.
Sire! Got it.
And he's got her now.
Snow, it's been a long time. You know what I am, and you know what I want.
I can take a wild guess. You want to save it. The legends had told of her coming. Banisher of darkness, bringer of light, redeemer of souls. She'd come at the end of days to guide our souls to salvation. Damn you, lightning! What's it gonna be? You gonna try to kill me? Huh?
It's over.
You're a regular angel of death, Light. So now what? This the bit where you save my soul?
I could help you, if that's what you want.
Damn it! What kind of answer is that?
Uh-oh. Now that isn't going to work.
Lumina!
Now that's not right. You're not supposed to throw your life away.
I swear that kid is a demon.
Angels of death and demons? You're attracting the wrong crowd, Snow.
Oh. No one is gonna stop me. You hear? Not you, definitely not her. If I have to fight the Savior, then I will.
Okay, well that was interesting. Real confused so far.
The
Then again, it's
centuries have
beginning.
changed us, Snow and me. Once we fought desperately together against our fates. Now he's patron of a never-ending revel, presiding over a banquet at the end of the world. And I've become the savior. I'm a servant of God, sent to a world being consumed by chaos. Tell me, Snow. Has ever a day passed when you haven't thought about Sarah? The girl you loved? My younger sister? How long has she been gone now? She brought us together and made us allies and friends. I can't give her back to you, but I can save your soul and free you from your long torment. It'll be my first act as savior. All right, Mr. Hope S-Time. Any ideas?
I knew that
What
was
do I do
Hope.
next?
Like, come on, just call me Hope, okay? Right now, your #1 priority is Snow. Don't let him get away.
Okay.
Fate is what it is.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't want to do that. Oh. Okay. Pretty
Damn, I'm
comfortable
trapped.
with
It's an automated defense system. The door should open.
it. Can't get how to guard. Oh, okay. That's it. Ah. Well, obviously.
We'll all be reborn.
Oh, what? Oh, that takes up. I didn't even notice.
Savior's got a job.
Can I like jump?
We'll all be reborn.
I've completely forgot how to use the stagger feature.
Deemed safe. I guess that means clearing out all the monsters, right? You're down.
I can only fight them one-on-one.
You did it. Now go and find Snow.
Okay, yeah, we're not gonna go through there right now. Go through it off camera.
A glimmer of light appears. Is the Savior a sign of... I would like to bet if you believe you are the truth...
What? The recovery item. I mean, no. Never hurt. Ooh.
I just spotted Snow. Help me track him.
Got it. You need to hurry.
What's Snow up to anyway? Where's he going?
I'm getting powerful chaos.
job. Get back to where you belong.
And that's exactly where he seems to be headed.
What the hell is he thinking?
Oh, yeah,
Running
sprint,
straight
sprint.
into the chaos? Is he going there to try to stop it, or is it to use it against us somehow?
You'll have to ask him yourself. Now hurry.
Can I jump? Thank
How
you.
high is the obstruction?
Oh, nah.
Light
Let's
used
go
to
with
be
that.
able to jump over it.
You want to play?
Still not really too sure how the staggering system works in this one.
Did you notice how the people here call Snow the Patron? He's in charge of this city, and has been for a long time.
The patron? I don't see it. Sure, he liked to look after people, but lording it over an entire city?
Well, it wasn't.
Savior's got a job. We'll all be reborn.
Although I'm not so sure he actually rules anything anymore. He doesn't do much these days except preside over the nightly revelry. Lord of the Feast Hall.
Doesn't look like he's enjoying it much, though. When I looked into his eyes, I didn't see much of the old Snow.
That jump is so useless.
Strange. Snow came down this way, but it's a dead end.
There has to be a way to get through. I'll look around.
Easy does it, like when that door opened.
Time can't be stopped. The source of the chaos is in the middle of the palace, right? That doesn't make sense. The Snow I knew wouldn't let things get out.
Right, can you hear me? The chaos is powerful in this area. I'm not sure what's going on. It's not...
Aren't we missing someone? Aren't we missing the guy from the second Final Fantasy 13?
What the? Who are you? And what are you doing here? If you're playing around in the middle of this chaos, I'm guessing you're not human.
You can see when you're inside this stuff? Then you can't be one of God's regular lackeys, can you?
Light, who are you talking to? The enemy! Focus on the enemy!
And now I'm facing some Dragon Knight. Nice. Yeah, okay, here you go, staggering. So I should actually get this. Okay. Okay. Oh. Well, we're here all of this freaking.
We'll all be reborn.
Okay, there you go.
Need more time. You're down. The end is close.
I don't know. I keep doing that with target.
Savior's got a job. Gotta speed up.
I did not mean to do that.
Death.
I probably should have taken that potion tutorial. I kind of forgot how to use.
Listen, Hope, I need more info. Can you analyze this chaos matter for me?
I've been trying to do just that, but it's no good. None of my instruments will tell me anything. It's just too hard to see.
What do you mean?
Oh, there you go.
I'm not sure. The sensors know it's there, all right. But when they actually look into it, they can't pick up anything at all. Sometimes it's so thick, my monitors go completely blank. Sorry, Light. I'll try to feed you as much info as possible, but with this chaos, I'm not much help.
It's locked. Can I force it?
That might be beyond even you. Hold on a second. I'll see what I can do from here.
Oh, wow.
There's a lot of chaos building up back there.
Yes, indeed. And Snow's inside, or whatever's left of him.
Well, he has been living without hope for centuries. Now the world's about to end. He might have lost his mind entirely. If it were anyone else, I'd say that was a given.
Do you think it could have gotten to him, though? Broken even his spirit?
I hope not, but...
Light, you've been spotted! You've got to get out of there, now!
After coming all this way,
How did they
I'm
get
his
into
last
this
chance,
chaos,
damn it.
though?
I
Like,
know what he's going through. The pain of losing Sarah.
That's true. If there's anything left of Snow, as the Savior, you're the only one who can rescue him. That's why you have to protect yourself. If you're killed,
Right.
it really will mean the end of the world. And then who can you save?
All right, fine. Take me back to the Ark.
Hold on.
So she'll understand his pain? She thinks she's going to save his soul? Would you listen to this nonsense? God turns her into the savior and it all goes straight to her head.
God, these loading screens are still really trippy.
Once upon a time, I committed a terrible sin. It happened long ago, in a past that I cannot change. I was fighting a war that never ended. I thought I was saving the world, and I needed help. So I turned to Sarah, the only family I had. She was my younger sister. I sent her to her death. I knew what I did could not be forgiven, but I prayed that someday it could be undone. Dreaming of the day I might bring her back, I fell into a long sleep. It was a sleep as dark as death. The centuries passed, and each one seemed like an eternity until... one day, the light touched me. I knew what it was. It was God himself, speaking to me. All-powerful, all-knowing, ruler of the world and sky above. Benevelza. The light was his voice, and I felt warmth on my skin as it spoke. He told me what I had to do. I would be his servant, and if I succeeded in doing his bidding, my reward would be a miracle. He said she would live again. My sister, Sarah, and I'd have her back at last. And so I was chosen by God to rescue lost souls and guide them past the end of this world and into the next. I became the Savior.
Why is Hope so young there? He was... well, a lot older than the other one.
Light, there's something I want to tell you. Something I think you have to hear. It'll take some explaining, so when you have the time, come and talk to me.
Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this one here, guys. I will see you later. Catch me for the next one.